guys, Gearheadgirl here. Today we're going to be unboxing this digital multimeter. So it's the Digitech Auto Ranging True RMS Digital Multimeter, non-contact voltage detection, capacitance test, frequency test, Cat3 1000 volt, lifetime warranty, technician. Apparently this is supposed to be a pretty decent one. So go ahead and get started. In the box it says it comes with a multimeter, test leads, transistor, test kit, 9-volt battery, and user manual. So, here's what's in the box. And indeed, it actually comes with the battery. That's pretty cool. Most electronics these days don't do that, so that's pretty cool that they include that. You do have your test leads, and it's got this nice, pretty resilient case on it. I kind of like that. So that's cool. And you can, actually it's got a little tab on the back. You can pull out, set it up while you're working, so you don't have to sit there and hold it, which is really handy dandy. But yeah, so we'll go over. Here is what comes in the box. Alright, so here you guys go. You can see what comes in the box. Again, noting that it's very nice that they actually included the battery in this one. So, I'm just going to go ahead. There is a little screw in the back here. So we're going to do that to install our battery. I love that it came with the battery included. Just gonna clip on in there, real nice and easy. Packaging off the battery. You guys done the 9-volt battery test? Let's see if it works. Oh, yeah. Yep, it's good. It's a good battery. Dog thinks so too. Alright. Right in like there, and I will just. Alright, we can go ahead and unpackage our leads. Try not to pull on them too much. Come on, leads. There we go. Oh, it's got the LED backlight. It's good. There's, you can turn that on and off. Alright guys, so this is what you get to work with. And the leads come with these nice little protective caps. You can see that there. Nice. Cool, so well, I can't wait to plug this all up and start using it for my many varied electrical projects. It came with the digital multimeter, there's a test leads, the transistor tester, that's pretty cool. That I don't see in a lot of kits. And of course your handy dandy little user manual and that battery which we installed. So that concludes this unboxing of the Digitech digital multimeter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to have your product unboxed or reviewed on this channel, please visit GHG2NZ and hit the contact link to get in touch. Alright, thanks guys, and I'll catch you for the next one. See ya! Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Gearheadgirl69. Some of the features that I really like about this is that, well, for one, Digitech was nice enough to include that battery, which is very rare these days in most things that I've been getting. The dust caps are a nice feature to help prevent all that corrosion. And then this in the back is just to me. I'm always sitting and holding it or trying to hang it up on something and it's falling down. Meanwhile, you know, you're trying to use both hands. Trying to test it with the two things and holding it or angle it up on something and it's falling over and you can't see the reading. But the fact that they included just this little stand is great, because then you can just set it up and test away.